Hi there, it's Dee from Artsydee, and today I'm going to show you how to create a seamless pattern in Procreate. Open up Procreate, select New Layer, and you're going to choose a square size canvas. If you don't have one already preset, I would recommend using the size 3000 by 3000 pixels set at 300 dpi. Now to begin drawing or stamping. I'm going to draw a few flower elements, and I'm going to make sure not to go too close to the edges. If you're using stamps like I often do, they make it super quick to build a pattern. You just vary the sizes, angles and spacing for more interest. Okay, once you're happy with your final artwork, you can begin the seamless pattern process. And what we're going to start doing, make sure you've added a background to your artwork. I've sort of used an off cream color. You are then going to go to your layers and you're going to duplicate that layer 3 more times, like so. We're then going to go to our selection tool. You're going to make sure it's set as uniform, and that snapping, both magnetics and snapping, are checked. You're then going to grab your first layer and you are going to drag the entire canvas up until it snaps perfectly in the middle, like so. You're then going to go to layer 2, well, your next layer down, and you're going to drag that once again to the top right hand corner until it snaps. Like so. And then you're going to do that for your final 2 layers by dragging one to the bottom left and the last one to the bottom right, like so. Once you've done that, you're then going to merge all your layers together. Let's add some details to some of the empty spaces here. Now we're going to repeat that process by duplicating that same layer 3 more times. And for this step, we're now going to select a layer and we're going to drag it to the top left corner. We're then going to move on to the next layer and we're going to drag this layer to the top right corner. For the next layer, we're going to drag it down to the bottom left. And for the final layer, we're going to drag it down to the bottom right, like so. And there we have a beautiful seamless pattern. And that's it, your very own seamless pattern, ready to use in Procreate, Canva, or any design project. If you want some ready-made elements to start with, you can grab my free Procreate sticker making kit linked below, or check out my stamp sets and brushes in my PayHip store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials every week.